Good morning. I am Avinash Das of Standard 9 from AK Vidya Mandir.
Good morning. I am Sally Patnaik of Standard 9 from AK Vidya Mandir. Today's news. India and the UK have agreed to establish an enhanced trade partnership, which is the first step towards a free trade agreement, announced by UK-India Business Council. Ministers from both governments agreed to remove barriers to trade at the first virtual Joint Economic and Trade Committee meet.
Over a month-long devastating flood in Assam continued to remain grim, with one more death in Morigaon district, taking the toll to 97, while 26.37 lakh peoples in 27 of the states, 33 of districts were distressed.
In a major relief for the Total Education and Development Trust, the Income Tax Appellate Tribunal has ruled in its favor against the Commissioner Income Tax Appel Order, wherein a demand of more than Rs 220 crore was leveled by the tax departments.
The world famous of Kashmir saffron has now got the prestigious geographical indication certification from the Government of India to certify its authenticity and world-class provinces.
Odisha Governor Ganeshri Lal will not host the at-home function at Raj Bhavan on the occasion of Independence Day this year in view of COVID-19 pandemic. The decision was taken to avoid a gathering in the wake of the pandemic.
Haryana will not host today the 4th edition Khelo India Youth Games, which is scheduled to take place after Tokyo Olympics. The games will be held at Panchakula.
Odisha government allows kin of the COVID victim to participate in funerals.
SCB Medical College in Cuttack completes 1 lakh COVID tests.
BMC widens scope of rapid antigen test, extend them to vulnerable workers.
UJI adds online exam centers in 5 more cities.
CET Bhubaneswar to pay Rs 50,000 as compensation for furnishing info.
Recite Hanuman Chalisa to eradicate coronavirus by Pragya Thakur.
Over 18 lakh pleas filed in courts during lockdown, announced by AC judges.
50 lakh people from city still living in containment zones in Mumbai.
Over 8,200 police personnel have contracted coronavirus infection in Maharashtra so far, while 93 including 7 officers have succumbed to it, unofficial information.
Illegal tobacco product seized from mini truck in Maharashtra.
Today's biggest need for social distance is corona. Stay at home and stay healthy. Thank you. Namaskar.